using the P23 for the first time in a while because it's been sitting over here for the longest. But now we're going to run it up for the first time in a long time, in a while. It's been sitting out of service for a minute. This is the Renzer version of the P23. So let's go ahead and run it. This is a 1972 model. The model number in there says S23, but it's a transitional model, transitioning to the P23. That's when that's when Kmart started calling it P23. So let's go ahead and run it. We're gonna put it on low. Yeah, it's not that hot in the studio where we need it on high speed or full power. So I think low speed is good enough. These fans move a lot of air. Move a lot of air. Alright, well there you go. There's the S23 transitional model to the P23 running on low. That's why I like to refer to it as the P23 because essentially that's what it is. Thanks for watching. The Montman Man out.